A practical application of this axiom is to distinguish whether a stock is strong or weak. So let's see this share. We can see when price rise and fall, there will be some high points. And if we compare, we can see one is KLCI and the other is 6963. And if we compare the high points, and we can find actually this individual stock is stronger than index. Why? Because index just it move in sideways, but this stock is very strong. It hit a new high very obviously, and we can see how it moves in the future. We can see the price just goes up, and this kind of stock we call it strong shares. And the next type of stock is what we call same trend shares. This kind of shares is in the same trend as KLCI. When KLCI rise, the individual shares rise, but when it's in sideways, the stock in sideways. When the KLCI starts to goes down and the stock starts to goes down. So this stock is almost the same trend as the index. And next, we can see this share. If we see, if we compare the two high points, and we find when the index hit a new high slightly, but for these individual shares, the high point is getting lower. So we know the stock is weaker than index. This stock is weaker than index, and how will it performance in the future? We can see it's even worse than the index. Actually, no matter strong stocks or weak stocks, there must be some special reasons leading to their trend. Now, why they are stronger or weaker, but we as technical analysis learner, we can distinguish them by the difference in trend. And for the strong shares, they are almost around 10% in the market. Weak shares around 10%, and most shares are same trend shares. And through the above three examples, we can see the strong stocks will continue to be strong. Weak stocks will continue to be weak. And the reason why individual stocks are why individual stocks will strengthen or weaker is because people's mood about their long-term trend. If the share is very strong, there must be some reason, though we don't know. But by learning the trend, we will know the share because people are optimistic about their long-term trends. So it will performance very strong, and so it's the same to weak shares. And so this is mainly the meaning of how the market discounts everything. Though we don't know the reason behind the price movement, but the price can give us some different trend characteristics for analysis.